In a quiet forest full of tall trees and golden leaves, there lived a little bird named Leo. Now Leo wasn't like the other birds. He didn't care much about singing or finding seeds. No, he spent every night staring at the sky, whispering, "One day I will fly to the moon." The other birds laughed. "Leo, the moon is too far. You're just a tiny bird." But Leo kept dreaming. Every morning he would train his wings, flying higher and higher above the trees, above the mountains. And one night, something magical happened. A glowing silver bird appeared in the sky. Its wings shimmered like stardust, and its eyes sparkled like the stars. "Who are you?" asked Leo. "I am the keeper of dreams," said the silver bird. "I've heard your dream, little one. If you're brave enough, I can take you to the moon." Leo's eyes lit up. "Yes, I'm ready." So the silver bird spread its wings and said, "Hold on tight." But before they started, the keeper turned to Leo and said, "The journey to the moon is not easy. You must be brave and believe in your dream." Then they started their journey. First, Leo had to face the test of wind. Strong storms tried to push him back, but Leo shouted, "I believe in my dream." Next came the test of shadow. A dark cloud whispered, "You're too small. You'll never reach the stars." But Leo flew straight through the fear. Finally, they reached the moon. There, Leo saw glowing trees, talking birds, and rivers made of light. A beautiful bird with wings like spun gold landed beside him. "You made it, Leo. You are no longer just a forest bird. You are a dreamer, and dreamers shine brighter than stars." The bird introduced herself as Luna. "I am the moonbird." "Will you stay here with me, Leo?" she asked. When Leo came back to the forest, all the birds gathered around him. They no longer laughed. Called him Leo, the bird who flew beyond the sky. End of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what you think in the comments.